Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download Adobe Character Animator for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop by using Adobe's official 7-day trial. Start by clicking the link in this video's description. That'll take you straight to the Adobe Character Animator trial page. Click the Start Free Trial button. Then select the individual plan to access the full version of Character Animator at no cost for 7 days. If you're new to Adobe, you'll be asked to create an account. Just enter your name, email address, and a password to get started. If you already have an Adobe ID, go ahead and sign in. You'll also need to provide a payment method, but you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the trial ends. Setting a reminder is a smart move so you don't forget. On some plans, Adobe may also offer a free Adobe Stock trial, which includes 10 downloadable assets, yours to keep, even if you cancel both trials. Next, download and install the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is where you'll manage all Adobe installations. Once Creative Cloud is installed, open it, search for Adobe Character Animator, and click Install. Depending on your internet speed, the process may take a few minutes. And that's it. Adobe Character Animator is now fully installed and ready to use for 7 days. It's the perfect time to explore motion capture and real-time puppet animation and bring your characters to life. If you found this guide useful, like it, and subscribe for more tutorials on Adobe software and tech tools. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching and enjoy animating with Character Animator.